Over here you can see that I have a bunch of video clips right here, and if I were to play this, you hear out audio along with the videos right there. But what you can also do is you can control out the audio volume level of each and every clip while you're editing in Davinci Resolve. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the beginning right here, and then I'm just going to go around and select out this video right here. So let's say I want to adjust out the volume level for this video. So I'm just going to go around and select this right here, and then I'm going to go around onto tools, and over here you can see that the audio control is an option right here. And once you click on it, you get this option which you can enable out. So you can go around and control the audio level for this particular clip by using this slider. So if I were to press the play button, you don't hear much right now. That is because the audio volume is too low. But if I were to increase this, you do hear out a bit of audio for this clip. So let me just go around right around over here. So you got certain level of audio right there. Similarly, you can go around over here onto this clip as well, enable it, and then set a certain volume range right here just like this. And if you were to play this, the audio level changes as per the effect that you selected for that particular clip. And that is how you can use the control audio option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.